WhatsApp call not showing. Silence voice call while in do not disturb, showing this error. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. First of all, you need to swipe down notification bar and find do not disturb or DND mode. Just turn off it. Now go back to home screen and find WhatsApp. Just tap and hold WhatsApp. Now click on app info. Now scroll down and click on storage and cache. Now click on clear cache. Now go back. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Now go back to home screen. Normally restart your phone. Just normally restart your phone. After all step, I hope your problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.